Nah, you don't have that good hand-eye coordination.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Pat Outdoors. Today I'm going to be taking out my Yadea Trooper 1 for a range test. My wife and I are going to get brunch in Reston and do some brewery hopping in Northern Virginia. So we're going to be riding from Fairfax to Reston to Vienna and back. I'm estimating the whole ride to be about 26-27 miles. The Yadea Trooper 1 claims to have a range of up to 55 miles, but obviously that is fully dependent on how much power assist you're using. I'm gonna put it on the highest power assist setting and not even pedal at all today, just to see how much range I can get. I'm hoping to get the whole 26-27 miles without having to pedal.
One thing I want to change with this bike is how stiff the suspension is. I think the rear shock is just simply too high sprung. I want to put a softer rear shock. I think it's going to be a lot more comfortable when I change that. You remember the sad office?
Yes. The neighbors in the back.
This bike is definitely faster than that. Like, they look like the same motor, but this one definitely has more power. Right. We're gonna make a right and then we're gonna at all these deer. Wow. I got you. You ride home.
Okay. You go try it. I'll walk. Does it seem heavy?
It is heavier.
It's like my quads are burning after like.
How when you shift now? Feels heavier than it should be.
I like this one better. This is faster and the battery lasts longer.
All right, guys, well, we just got home from our 27-mile ride, and the Yadea Trooper still has a little over a quarter of its battery life left, which is pretty impressive considering the HiBoy EX6 battery completely died a little over a mile ago. Bailey was pretty upset that she had to pedal heavily just to limp that thing home. I think it's like 20 pounds heavier than the Trooper 1. And I didn't even have to do any sort of pedaling today. So I'm pretty happy with this bike so far. The seat is very comfortable. Though if I had to make one change, it would likely have something to do with the suspension. The fork rides just fine, though it makes some rattling noises when you're going over bumps. And the rear shock is just simply way too stiff. I'm thinking about installing a D&M mountain bike shock with a slightly softer spring rate, or maybe like a Fox air shock. Let me know if you have any suggestions, comment it below. But if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful in any way, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you like this kind of content, want to keep up with some of my projects, some of my rides, consider subscribing to this channel. But this is going to be it for today. Thank you for watching.